got the layout done. I should be able to get the back piece and the base out of this one piece. Right here, I laid out a 1-inch diameter circle. I'm probably just going to sand that and blend it in. I'm just going to cut it out on a straight. So basically I got this long cut, this angle. I started by, this is a factory edge. This is a torch cut edge, so I had to grind that square to this edge, but only that far up, so. Alright, so I got the holes transferred from the sheath, got them drilled out, I tacked it square on the front side, top side, then I put 3 short beads on the back side, and then ground them off because it has to sit flat on top of the bed. Next I'll finish the top side, and those shouldn't be ground. Alright, all the welding's done. There's my 4 welds. I put a bait marker in various locations about that same length so I could get the same amount of bead so it would look better. The welding came out good. All I have left is the gusset. Here's the sheath. Started off as a piece of 3/8 Schedule 40 PVC. I put it in the oven at 375 for 10 minutes, and it's really hot, gets hot, and so have some thick gloves or something. But then before I did that, I made this piece of 1/2 inch OSB, 3.5 inches wide by about 30 inches long. The PVC is 24 inches. And then I put that on a board on the floor and a board on top of it, force the shim board inside of it, and it goes in real easy, and then just stood on it for a while until it's set up. You can tell when it stops getting spongy, but so far it looks pretty good. Now I got to get the shim board out, and then I got to put the holes in it before I can transfer them to the metal piece. Here it is, all done. I'm not really sure that I like it because of the fact that it still sticks out the side of the machine. And for my little saw, at least, the 170, you can see that it's about 50% bigger this way than it needs to be. So that was a 3-inch tube, PVC tube. If there is a 2-inch, I could try that, but that might limit me to this, only the small saw, which is really what I just would carry in this anyway, in the woods for clearing the trails and such. I worry more about this thing still sticking out. So I may try to, I don't think it's going to work. I think that's what I'm going to get either way, but the sheath, about 24 inches long, and I still get an inch or so before it hits the bed bottom. I think I found a simple solution to my problem. Thinking out of the box, I just turned the saw over. So now you can see that it's all inside the perimeter of the vehicle, And I do have a problem with inside the bed, but if I'm just carrying tools, I can keep it like it is, and then when it's loaded up with stuff, I can turn it around when I'm not in the woods. So I think I'm gonna not worry about it and leave it like it is.